Right, this is Novoton Shop iChannel. I'm with Mama Pintana here at Loftus Stadium. Mamelodi Sundowns, North, Cape Town City, 1. How are you?
I'm fine.
Good. What's your name? Where do you come from?
I come from Mamelodi.
Mamelodi.
My name is CK.
Yeah.
I'm proud that Sundowns have won.
Yeah.
I'm proud of every match that he plays. I'm proud of him and the way he plays. Yeah.
He plays very well. Eh? Is he your favorite?
Yes.
Oh, that's
my favorite.
Yeah. So I can see you are with your sisters and like your siblings. Are you all supporting Sundowns because of your father, or you love Sundowns?
I don't know. I don't know.
No, that's good. And then who's your favorite player at Sundowns? Zwane. Eh? Were you happy that he has been playing all these games in this season?
Yes.
Wonderful. Eh? And then do you think you're going to beat Orlando Pirates in the Nedbank Cup?
Yes.
What score?
7.
7. Kabuyelo. Then how do you feel about the game of Fanda?
Gimela tšago e shapo nentse ne tlhagatlhagane mara nna ke thabetse gore Chiefs ba intshitse ko top 8 MTN 8 ba sa inagane
ke no ba tshaba because the central ba dlale le wena next season. Ano wa e thabile.
wa itse keng ba na le maleng
Ba o lata. Mara machilo a diletse ko no bona la.
mang nna vele ke a bolela ka bisane ba ilo botsana e ba le jela ba le khanle na ba le rile
Bona taba le win. Na o ya go win ya go Sundowns. Mara bya. Ne shap machitana. Thank you very much. Shap.